Samsung's flagship Galaxy S26 Ultra will be officially unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event on February 25th and is expected to go on sale in early March. As the first ultra-class flagship phone priced at around 10,000 yuan in 2026, this upgrade is truly impressive. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be the world's first phone with a special edition Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, clocked at up to 4.74 GHz, the most powerful mobile processor in Qualcomm's history. With 16 GB of RAM and an improved cooling system, outstanding performance is expected. The camera system has also received a significant upgrade, with the 200-megapixel main camera's aperture increased from f1.7 to f1.4, noticeably increasing the amount of light entering the device. The phone also features a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, forming a quad-camera system that covers the entire focal length range. Charging speed has seen a significant leap, with wired fast charging increasing from 45 watts to 60 watts, while wireless charging supports the Qi 2 standard at 25 watts, eliminating any charging worries. In terms of design, the new phone boasts a thinner and lighter body, along with a new color, Valley Violet. The rear camera module has also been redesigned with an oval shape, giving it a more distinctive look. As for the price, the phone is expected to start at $1,359 in the US market, a slight increase over the previous generation. All details will be revealed on the 25th of this month. For more content, don't forget to subscribe to the Galaxy Go channel. See you in the next video.